First, you just need to listen to music on Spotify. Next, you need to visit this website. And through this website, you can get paid this. Spotify is one of the largest digital music services that provides users with millions of different songs that they can listen to 24/7. Now just imagine that you could earn money simply by just listening to music on a service like Spotify. Well, I'm pleased to tell you that you can do this yourself. It doesn't matter where you live in the world, you can listen to music on Spotify for free and make money by doing so. You'll also be able to withdraw your earnings immediately and whenever you please. You can earn cash outs totaling up to either $260, $460, or even a whopping $900. And you can repeat this process as many times as you want. You don't need any sort of big audience or any followers, and you won't have to send or refer anyone to this platform. This is also 100% free, meaning you don't have to spend any money whatsoever to get started with this. The only thing you do need is either a phone or computer and a Wi-Fi connection. I'm also going to be sharing with you a few bonus tricks or tips so you can multiply your money, so be sure that you watch every single part of this video all the way up to the end. So as I mentioned previously, I'll be showing you how you can listen to Spotify music. I'll show you how you can set up and create your own free Spotify account if you don't have an account already. And this works with your phone and your computer. This website that I'm going to show you is relatively unknown and is the website that will pay you to listen to music on Spotify. So make sure that you pay close attention so you know exactly what you need to do to get this started for yourself. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go to open.spotify.com. If you're using an Android device, you can just look up Spotify on the Google Play Store and download the app. And be sure to download the right app. It should look something like this, where it has over 1 billion downloads and about 27 million reviews. Clearly, you can see that there is an extremely large population that uses this app to listen to music, but most of them don't realize that you can literally make money listening to music on Spotify by using this website. So if you're using an iPhone, you can just head over to the Apple App Store and download it there. It should look like this, where it has about 23 million ratings. But if you're new to Spotify and have not used it yet, you'll have to create your own free account first. So just head over to open.spotify.com and click on the button that says Sign Up. So you can either sign up using your Facebook account, through Google, or just using any email of your choosing. After you've created your Spotify account, this is what your profile or main page should look like. You'll notice that there is a huge catalog of music at your disposal. You can see that it's categorized based on genres, emotions, playlists, and more. So to begin listening to music, all you need to do is just click on one of these and then click on the play button to begin listening to music. Or you can simply just search for any music you'd like by clicking on this search button right here. But something that I'd like to show you is that you can create a playlist of your own. Creating your own playlist will generate a large sum of passive income on a daily basis. I'll show you how to do that in just a second, but first, I want to break down how the secret website works. This is where you can become a music curator and get paid to listen to music. Make sure you continue watching, as I will reveal the name of this website very shortly. You can become a music curator by creating a playlist after listening to music on Spotify. After you've collected a bunch of songs on Spotify and created your own playlist, you can then submit that playlist to this website. And as it states right here, you can earn regular money through submissions. This means that you'll be rewarded for every playlist that you submit on this site. And you can continue doing this by creating more playlists and submitting them so you can earn more money. So if we scroll down here, it'll show you how much you can earn based on how many submissions that you make. You can learn more about how this works and get information by visiting their website. So as it shows right here, once you've submitted a minimum of 200 submissions, you can begin to collect your earnings. So you'll notice that the highest earnings potential you can make is by submitting 2,500 submissions. By achieving that number of submissions, you'll be able to make £800, which converts to about $900. And again, just repeat this as many times as you'd like. This website is very beginner friendly and accessible to anyone, and all you need to do is just listen to music. So an important thing I'd like to mention is that the sign-up process can be a little difficult or tricky. But there's no need to worry, because I'm going to walk you through how you can fill out all the necessary forms in order to start earning your money from this process. So make sure you pay close attention so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom and click on where it says Curators under the Music Gateway category. Next, I want you to then scroll down and click on the button that says Apply Now. You should then be redirected to this page that says Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submissions Application. And when you do get paid out from this method, it will be in a timely manner because they are a very secure and professional website. As you navigate down the page, you'll notice some text saying, "Are you a Spotify curator?" As mentioned previously, you'll be a Spotify curator where you will collect songs and put them into a playlist and submit them to get paid. So what you need to do is fill out this form and await a response from this website. The first thing you'll want to do is enter your email address, and then you'll just type in your curator name, which is your real name, and then select the country that you reside in. After that, you'll check this box that says Spotify. Below that, you'll see a box that says link to playlist, channel, station, or blog. In just a second, I'll show you how to get the link from your Spotify playlist to paste into this box. The next question is going to ask you, how many submissions do you receive roughly each week? As I showed you before, in order to start collecting your earnings, you must submit a minimum of 200 submissions. So when completing this application and answering these questions, it'll all depend on how much time and energy you spend on this and how hard you plan on working. It will also depend on how many songs you will end up listening to and how many playlists you will choose to submit. But if you do want to get paid, it has to be at least 200 submissions. If you would like for this to be your full-time job, I strongly encourage you to strive for 1,000 submissions so you can start earning a lot of money. Next, you can decide which genres you would like to accept. So this all depends on your own personal preference, but the more genres you select, the more money you'll be able to make. I'll also be showing you how you can discover and find a variety of different types of genres of music within Spotify very shortly. You'll then be asked to follow Music Gateway on Instagram, and you can just say no for this. And then you can choose to add anything else you'd like to add or want them to know right here. But if not, you can just leave this blank. Then you'll just click on Submit. After you've been accepted by this website, you can begin the submission process by creating and submitting Spotify playlists to this website so you can get paid. The name of this website is called musicgateway.com. Now the next step is a very important one, but before I show you that, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to learn about more ways to make money online. I'd like you to go to your Spotify account where I'll show you how to collect a bunch of songs and place them into a playlist, which you'll then submit so you can get paid. So while you're navigating Spotify, I'd like you to look for the genres that are also listed on Music Gateway like pop music. So click on the search button on Spotify and search for pop music. After you search for pop music, it will provide you with music that's in the pop genre. If you navigate right here where it says See All and click on that, you will see all of the music that's listed in the pop category. So now what we're going to do is create our very own playlist. So I want you to go over here and click on this button that says Create Playlist. You can then give it a title so you know that it's in the pop genre, and then you can start adding songs that are categorized as pop songs and add them to this playlist that you just created. And what's amazing about Spotify is that they'll continue to recommend songs that are related to the pop genre or any other genre that you are looking for. So you can just add all these songs or whichever songs that you'd like into your playlist. So now that you've added some songs to your playlist, you can then head over to your playlist and look through all the songs that are on there. That's all you need to do. So this is one submission, and remember, you'll need to make more than 200 in order to start earning money. So you have to spend a decent amount of time listening to music and creating playlists up front for you to submit to this website to start making money. So the next step is getting the link from our playlist to submit to this website. So when you're in your playlist, you want to click on this 3-dot icon right here, then hover over Share and click on Copy Link to Playlist. That's all there is to it. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.